So I love the smell of fresh rain in the morning. It's an awesome smell, you know? It's cleaning, it knocks down all the leaf dust, you know? It smells good out here this morning. But it is storming. And then the other part about that that's crazy is you can still see sunrise kind of barely over the mountain under the clouds. You know, right there. I got storm clouds going over here. Say, Panda's already been out twice today. She didn't have to go potty, so she is hanging out here on the porch. She's like, yeah, mama, I gotta stay dry. Alright, I'm gonna go back inside, make us some breakfast. Because it's chilly. And there's enough wind where it's blowing the rain back on the patio a little. I'll talk to you later. Stay warm, stay dry. So Panda is on the warpath. We had a squirrel try and sneak up on the back patio there, and of course the lights are on. So she went off because she saw movement and was just, you know, doing that whole aggressive, you're not supposed to be on the porch. And I got up enough to see that it was just a squirrel. But she didn't care. It was not supposed to be there. And so now she's doing the whole, gotta patrol the yard, you know, see what's where, make sure everything's where it's supposed to be, because, you know, that squirrel was not supposed to be on the porch. I don't know if you can hear, but she's walking around. Yeah. I know, baby. So you can kind of see that she's got her hair kind of like behind her head and her shoulders. I don't know if it's showing up because it's so dark outside, but she's got it standing up. She's just definitely not happy. All right, well, I'm gonna let y'all go. So she's she's on patrol duty. See if I can get her to. Yeah, she's already put her hair back down. She's relaxed. I'm gonna have to catch it on film at some point in time. Alright, y'all have a great evening. Don't let the squirrels get on your porch. And Panda, I'll talk to you later.